Hello guys, I'm Huriali. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do leg stretches. I'm gonna do these leg stretches for beginners, and if you cannot do deep enough, I'll tell you how to do it deep enough. And this is my first vlog of leg stretches. In the next vlogs, I'll tell you more stretches so you guys can be flexible. So let's get started. So the first step is you have to open your legs this, and then you have to touch your hands on the ground. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you have to get right up. And now we have to wait for 1 second. Now the second step is you have to hold your ankle like this. You can hold from one hand because I'm going to hold from one hand because I'm a professional. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And wait. Now, left, other side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's do the next step. So now guys, you have to open your foot like this. And now you have to put your hands on your ankles. Now you have to bend like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. You have to do this for 3 to 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Now let's do our board stop. So now guys, you have to bend like this, and you have to try to open these knees more farther. And you'll hear the stretches from inside your leg and your back. So let's count backwards from 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And slowly up. Don't go so fast because you'll feel hurt. And what do you feel after doing this? Stretches. I think I feel stretched. Yeah. Okay, next, let's do this fifth step. So now guys, you have to bend one leg and open this leg, and you have to touch your ankle. You can do from 2 hands, 1 hand, anything you like. Count backwards from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And now we go upper hands and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And up. Now you have to bend this leg and put this in front. You gotta hold your ankle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you gotta put your hands up, okay? And again, touch your ankle. So now guys, you have to copy those steps which you did from of the other leg. Now you have to do from the other leg, this leg, you gotta touch it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you have to bend from their side. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you have to hold your ankle and count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you have to put your hands up. 10. It's hard. It's so hard. Like, it's a little hard. Not that much hard, but it's a little hard. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, hold your ankle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so now let's do the sixth step. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to do the butterfly stretch. It's easy. It's super duper easy. And try to touch, try to close or like close, okay? And then you have to do it for 10 to 20 seconds, okay? Okay, now you have to push your knees as far as you could, okay? Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and set. So now guys, you have to lay down flat. And you have to get this leg and push it to your chest. Now the next leg. And now you can pull this leg and do it like this. You can stand up your leg like this. Higher and higher. Now let's do the next leg. And up higher. So now guys, you have to put your knees up like you're going to do a sit-up. Then you have to put one leg on top of another and you have to grab it and try to touch it on your chest. Now let's do from the other leg. Now guys, you have to put one leg in front of you and let me just put this away and do like this and try to touch the ground as far as you could. And now you have to put your knees downwards and you have to hold your foot. You have to do it. this, and you have to turn around. And you have to copy these steps for the other leg. I feel stretch from here, and I feel stretch from this leg behind me, and my back is stretched like if you turn around, and you feel stretch from my shoulders, my back. It's stretched. Almost every part of my body is stretched. There's, I don't know, many stretches are left. So let's get to the 6th or 7th step. So now guys, you have to sit like this, put this leg behind you, and bend in this leg, and put your hands down. So guys, if your legs get stretched, you'll be so flexible, and your legs will be so stretched and flexible. And if you do the hand stretch, you'll get the hand stretch flexible. You can like turn around your whole hand, do this and that. Now we go downwards. And up. Now let's do from the next leg. Now let's do from the other leg. You have to do the same, like you're bending the leg and put your leg behind. Now let's do lay down. And up. Now we're going to do our next step. So guys, stretch your leg like this and try to touch this knee to your chest. And your back of your foot should touch your hip. Okay, let's leave it. So guys, these are the leg stretches. You have to do these leg stretches every day, because I do it every day. And if you will do these stretches after 15 to 16 days, you'll feel your legs flexible, and you can stretch your legs as far as you could, because I feel stretched if I do these. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and smash that like button, and see you all next time. Goodbye, and hit the notification bell. So see you all next time. Goodbye. Love you guys. Mwah. Stay home. Stay safe.